Meanwhile, Millikan devised a technique that resulted in precise measurement of the charge on an electron. First, we need to understand the apparatus of Millikan's oil drop experiment. Two plates PP prime are placed inside a container and these are connected with the DC battery. When we switch on the battery, a voltage V is applied to the plates, due to which the electric field is set up between the plates. An atomizer is used for spraying oil drops into the container through the nozzle. The oil drops get charged because of friction between walls of atomizer and oil drops. Some of these drops happen to pass through the hole in the upper plate. The space between the plates is illuminated by the light source. The path of motion of these drops can be observed by microscope. A given droplet between the plates could be suspended in air if the gravitational force acting on the droplet is equal to the electric force. So, electrostatic force is equal to gravitational force. After solving this relation, we get the equation for calculating the charge on droplet. But in above relation, you can see mass of droplet is an unknown. Now we will find mass of droplet. For this, we switch off the battery. The droplet falls under the action of gravity through air. It attains terminal speed at the instant electric field is switched off. According to Stokes' law, drag force is equal to weight of the droplet. So in this way we can get the terminal speed of the droplet. After putting the equation of drag force and mass of droplet, we get the radius of droplet. From this equation we can calculate the radius of droplet. So now we can measure mass of droplet, and after that finally we can measure charge on droplet. I hope after this animation, now you are able to measure the charge on droplet. Thank you so much.